G'day again everyone. Another quick video for you. This one, a Ford Falcon utility. Because in USA they never got Ford Falcon utilities, they had Rancheros and they killed those. So many utes were sold in Australia and still very, very popular to this day. 6-cylinder AU model with an indicated 253,312 kilometres on the digital odometer. So let's give him a fire up and see what it sounds like, because I know I'm going to be making things. Ooh, a little bit, anyway, let's have a look under it and see how it is and what I've got to do. So just hold that thought. Oh, we have a 2001 model AU. These have the 4-litre Intec engine, not the Tickford. The Tickford have got the little adjuster thing here for the valves. Definitely welding. We have a spike protector, aka life support. Well, let's get him up and we'll see the carnage that has happened. Oh, you ready? Yeah, give me a hand here. Let's see if we can raise a car with one finger. Yeah, it works. Okay, up we go. So very, very slowly. But hey, keep watching because this will be an interesting video. Unless of course you're one of the 93% of people that click on videos for 7 seconds and click off. Very disappointing when that happens. Well, it's had some very temporary sort of repairs, and parts of the tubing are, well, the inside diameter is larger than the outside diameter. Those rubbers are not good enough. Oh, rusted and split there. Not very good. Well, you think we've got a free flow muffler? Look at that one. Even the resonator, which is all part of the assembly, from there back to here is one part. Right, so now we have the end of the camera sitting in the hole. Let's push it up and we'll see what the inside of this catalytic converter really looks like. Getting in nice and personal with it. Turn it round a bit, yay. Yep, I'm happy with that. You can't see up in there without the light, but hey, that's what this polite little devil's for. How polite? Goodbye camera. See, it's lovely. So the sedan muffler's been cut where I needed to cut it, and the back part has been expanded so the same size tubing will go in. It's currently having a joining section cut over there by Mr. Grasshopper. Go in there, expand, go over that, double weld. That is now an assembly. This is all mounted up here. And some of the mufflers you have inside and outside brackets based on the model of the vehicle. The same model on the same model muffler, same part number, fits EA, which is really early, through to the AU in the live axle. But the early ones use that set of holes because the bracket's over further. So they're the ones you use. On AUs, you use that set. And the pipe has been made for it and it's just being taken out of the bender now. And that'll go in and bracket it up on the vehicle. You may notice I've got length marks. That tells me where to bend things because, hey, I've done a couple. So the work all completed, let's start it up and see how we are. Then I'll show you underneath. Ooh, nice and quiet. Sounds just like a Ford Falcon. Now from the side, we're nice and high. The lowest part about it is the catalytic converter flange, and hey, there's a gearbox above it and a cross member. So this is how you make a Ford Falcon sedan part fit a utility. By adding a straight section in there and saving a mozza of dollars, as well as not having to carry a very slow moving part on the shelf. Thanks for watching another bread and butter job from 290 Albert Street in Maryborough, Queensland. Remember, if you like it, give me a like. Follow, subscribe, all the aforementioned above. Thanks very much.